Where's my scraper? What the... Oh, you're really gonna make me get up and go look for it. Frickin' Harbor Freight, man. Look at this nonsense. So-called engineers. I could have designed it better myself.